Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, divide the hairs into two parts. Fold the hairs upward on the alternative sides like this. Now make the plaits on the right side by taking all the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit and then fold it and fix it on the alternative sides. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs and then fix this band in the between of the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and fix them inside one by one in the space between the band like this. So watch these steps very carefully how we are taking the hairs and fixing it in between of the band. Now take it till the end, till the length of the band and then fix it like this. So take the hairs in the equal sections and tie them like this. Fix it very carefully as we are fixing here and tie it till the end and then tie all the hairs together at the end and fix it together. And your hairstyle will be almost ready. So watch these steps and follow along these steps very carefully as we are showing you here. Now tie them using a rubber band and your hairstyle is done. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take the hairs and make a ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts, tie the upper section from the half and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top like this, or just before making a bow, you can fix them like this into each other and then tie it like this. Now rotate the rest of the hairs and then fix it over the bun on the top. Now spread the hairs from the sides like this and then spread it a little bit like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs and make a ponytail like this using a rubber band. Now after tying it, fix the hairs in the half, pull it back and then spread it inside the hairs like this on the top. Spread it like this and fix it. Now tie it again from the top using a rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can put some beautiful hair clutch on the top of it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a ponytail and divide the hairs into two parts. Now take the hairs from the sides and then fix it in the half like this. So take the hairs and then fix it in the between by taking the hairs from the sides. Take it till the end and fix all the hairs in the same manner. Tie them one by one as shown in the video and fix it. Now fold it upward and fix it in the half like this. Now rotate the under section and then fold it over the bun and spread the rest of the hairs from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a ponytail and then fix this bun stick in the between. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then fix it on the sides of it like this. Now roll the hairs like this around it and then fold it upward and fix it to make a bun tightly and fix it using the hairpins on the top like this. Roll it carefully and fix it on the sides and then your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a ponytail and fix the hairs like this in the half, or just make a ponytail first and then rotate the hairs first. So rotate it from the topward side like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it in the half and then we will tie the hairs like this on the top using this hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will be taking the hairs and then divide the hairs into three parts and then make the plaits on it like this. So make the plaits very carefully on the hairs and then pull out the hairs from the sides in the small sections like this from the sides. Pull it out carefully as shown in the video and then roll it like this. Now fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it using the bun pin like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.